Hi everybody, welcome to Brunch Bakes. This is a class where you'll learn 4 show-stopping recipes that are all perfect for a weekend morning or a special brunch. They're all recipes that are totally craveable and that you can definitely make at home. I'm Kye Pizza, an employee owner at King Arthur, and I'm very excited for this class all about brunch. If we're having brunch in my household, it means that it's a special occasion. In this class, you'll learn 2 master doughs, 3 shaping techniques, and 4 bakes for your next brunch at home. Plus, you'll learn a ton of skills that will make you a better baker no matter what occasion you're baking for. In this class, you'll learn how to work with yeasted doughs, including how to knead them and how to shape them. Also, how to tell when they're underproofed, overproofed, or perfectly proofed at that moment they should go in the oven. You'll also learn how to tell when they're thoroughly baked. You'll learn all about the Tangzhong method and why it's so beneficial to dough, and specifically these really puffy cinnamon rolls. You'll also learn how to handle a classic scone dough and how to customize them to your liking. You'll also learn some core baking skills like how to properly measure flour, the difference between chemical leaveners, and how to do the window pane test. For a rich, tender, and super fast brunch bake, you'll learn how to make our cream-based scones. In the puffy yeasted camp, we have soft cinnamon rolls, a beautiful raspberry mock braid, and a decadent chocolate babka that my colleague Jonathan will show you how to make. You can take this brunch bakes class at any time you like, as many times as you like. Let's get baking.
Welcome to Homemade Pizza. I'm Martin Phillip. I'm a baker and author, and I've worked for the King Arthur Baking Company since 2006. My path with baking actually began in a wood-fired pizzeria. In today's class, I want to share some favorites. We'll start with a weeknight pizza that comes together quickly but doesn't feel like we've cut any corners. Then we'll move into Neapolitan style, which is a celebration of crust and fire. And then we'll get out into America and look at some regional favorites from Detroit to the South Shore in Boston. And along the way, I want to share a delicious sauce. We'll also cover mixing and fermentation, how to shape, how to load, and also oven management as part of everything involved with what it takes to make beautiful, delicious pizza. This is a baking school on-demand class covering everything from recipes to tips and techniques. Sign up below and join us. I'll see you there. Who's ready for pizza?